Okay guys, first of all I'm start the CATIA software here. I will introduce you some sketching skill which are directly related to the part modeling. So when you open this CATIA environment, you will see assembly workbench here. All the tools, all the environment are available here are assembly environment. So first of all, click on the start button and you will see a mechanical design here, and go to the part design. If you want to create a new part, just go into the part design section, and if you want to go to sketching, then also you can go in the part design. So I will click here and I will select a new part here. Okay, just make it okay. So you will see a 3D workbench environment here. This is a call menu which is situated top left corner, and this is the specification tree which you see here. This specification tree including all the information regarding your geometry and construction of any model. So when you create something here, you will see the information of this product here. Okay, so you can see some tools available your in the right hand side. This is called 3D tools. So if some tools are getting missed, so you can recover it by clicking here, or you can go in the tool section and click on the customize. So when you click on the customize section, you can recover all the tools regarding your 2D drawings, your 3D drawings. Okay, so it takes some time to open window. When it's open, you can see here a toolbar. When you click here, so you can click on the both of the options here. You can see restore all content here and restore all position. So all the tools are which are getting missed, so their tools are recovered. Okay, so just close it window. So you can see here three planes. These three planes are made by three axes. You can see this plane is made by here YZ axis, and you can see this plane is made by XY axis. So if you want to create a 2D geometry, you can have a one plane and two axes. So if you want to choose this plane, that is YZ plane, or if you want to choose this one plane, that is XY plane. If you want to create any 2D geometry, just click on this plane and go into this sketch tool which is available. If you want to go from 3D to 2D environment, then go into the so just click on the sketch icon. You can move from 3D to 2D environment. So the tools are available here are only 2D tools. You can create any 2D geometry with the help of these tools. So first of all, I want to aware you some tools regarding the 2D geometry. These profile tools are called profile tools. These tools help us to create any profile, like rectangle, like circle, like line, anything which are profile you can create by this toolbar. Okay, if you want to modify your profiles, so just click on the operation toolbar. You can see this toolbar is called operation toolbar, and this toolbar is called sketch tool. Okay, you can see here this is a sketch tool. This this sketch tool help us to create geometry with the help of some references. So first of all, we have to open these two icons. These two icons help us to show our dimensions and constraint. Okay, So first of all, I want to aware you some sketching skills regarding to CATIA. So if you want to create a multiple continuous line, so just click on the profile icon. You can see here a profile icon. This profile icon is help us to create a continuous line without any discontinuity. So when I click here, you can see this is sketch tool have some more options here. So just forget it first time, and this tool is now asking your first point. Just if you want to start from the origin, just click here first point and just click on the second point wherever you want to do a second point. Okay, so you can see if I create a line by here, this is shows a white line, and if I move this line to upward direction, this shows a blue line. This blue line means your line is getting horizontal. Okay, and if you want to create a vertical line, just see this. You can also see a blue flare here. This line also shows a vertical line, so this means a blue color shows your line of profile will be horizontal or vertical. So okay, all right. So this I already selected this profile icon, and now I'm creating a multiple line. You can see here when I clicking a multiple point, you can see I can create a multiple lines. So in this option, my icon is selected here, line section. If you want to create a multiple arc, so just click on the arc here. So you will now create a different type of tangential arc. Okay, now again it's showing a line, and if you want to again create a tangent arc, just click on the arc, and if you again create a tangent arc, just create here. Okay, in the third option you can see this 3-point arc. If you want to create an arc by 3 points, just click on this. You can see you already selected a first point, and I'm going to select a second point here, second one, and I'm going to select the third point. So you can create a 3-point arc with the help of profile tool. Now you are selecting a profile tool. Okay, so now we getting escape from the command by pressing this tab button in the keyboard. Okay, so now I'm getting escape. So now this sketch shows a orange color. Orange color shows a selection of our profile. So if I click on here, so our selection will not happen. So I'm clicking here, so you can see now our profile is not selected. So orange color shows selection of any profile. Okay, good. So just select here. If you want to delete all the lines in the same time, just click on that profile and press the delete button. Okay, now you already know how to create a profile line. So now next option is rectangle. If you want to create any geometry like rectangle, so you can click here. So I already clicked here. Now this is a corner to corner rectangle, so I need to select 2 points. First is here and second is here. So you can see I created a rectangle by selecting the 2 points. Okay, so I can also provide a dimension here. So first of all, neglect this method. Now move to the another one. This is the oriented rectangle. Oriented rectangle is made a rectangle which is made by 3 points. You can see first point and second point, third point. Okay, now again third profile is parallelogram. Parallelogram is having a rectangle which have a two equal opposite sides. So first click first here and second point here and third point here. You want to put an angle between the two lines, so just click on the constraint button. So you can provide the angle between two lines like this. If I want to create a parallelogram at a 30-degree angle, just select it here. 30-degree. You will create a parallelogram. Now the next profile is elongated hole. Elongated hole is a long hole which is created by a length. We have to provide the length first and second the radius. Okay, so you can create a elongated hole here. The next one is cylindrical elongated hole. This is if we want to create a cylindrical elongated hole, then first we have to provide the center point of the hole and just click on the start point where you have to start your hole and provide the endpoint and provide the radius. So it will create a geometry like this. Next is keyhole profile. So you want to create a profile like a keyhole, just click here, just provide a length here, first point and second point, provide the minor radius and provide the major radius. So okay, now next profile is hexagon. Hexagon is used generally to provide a multiple sides here. So if you want to create a hexagon, click on the hexagon and provide the center point first and second the radius of the hexagon. If you want to change the dimension of the hexagon, just click on the constraint and provide the radius and change the radius of the hexagon here. Just provide the 200 dimension of the hexagon. Okay. Next is center rectangle. This rectangle is made by a center point. So if I just choose the center here of the rectangle, then I can easily create this rectangle. Okay. Next profile is center parallelogram. This center parallelogram profile is made by two intersecting lines. So you can see this line and this line is intersect at this point. So if I want to create a parallelogram at the intersection point here, so we have to select the two profiles which are getting intersect. So I selected 2 points and I create a parallelogram here. Okay, so this is the general two profiles here. Now